Hi, my name is Lauren Ruggiero, and if you clicked on this video, you're probably curious. So you've probably seen it all. People climbing cell towers to people filling their pools with Orbeez. The greatest YouTubers have done it all, like Casey Neistat and Mr. Beast.
So what makes my content worth your time?
Like everything cycles through, there's a new wave of YouTubers coming up, and I believe I'm a part of that new wave. My channel is a place where everyone is welcome. We'll go on adventures, we'll have deep conversations about this thing that we've been given called life. I want this channel to be as wholesome and as transparent as possible, where I not only show you guys the best of times, but also the times where it's hard, and the times where maybe I can give you a little motivation or advice, or maybe you can just relate to my stuff. Say, yeah, I'm feeling like that too. Who knows, maybe I can even make you laugh a little bit.
Oh, so funny thing just happened, right? So I'm going on the highway and my tire just popped, right?
But I am building this community that's supportive and loving, and I really would like you to be a part of this community. So come on, join the fun. I promise you won't regret it.